Most tools are familiar: hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches. But today we're going full tool nerd mode. I'm showing you unusual tools you probably didn't even know existed. And yes, they're real. And yes, they're awesome.
Is this one for aliens?
No, Kevin. Put that down before it activates something. First up, the strap wrench. No teeth, no jaws, just a strong rubber strap. It grips round objects without scratching them. Perfect for plumbing, filters, jars.
Or when your spaghetti sauce leg decides to fight for its life.
This one looks like a normal electric screwdriver until you move your wrist. It uses gyroscope sensors to turn left or right depending on your motion.
Basically, turn your hand gently, human. I will handle the rest.
It's like having a tool that actually listens. Unlike Western saws that cut on the push, the Japanese Ryoba cuts on the pull. That means more control, less effort, and cleaner cuts.
So it works smarter, not harder. I should take notes.
Meet the cat's paw. No, it's not cute. It's a brutal little nail extractor used by carpenters for removing buried nails.
If nails could scream, this tool would be banned.
Technically, it's an accessory, but still unusual. A magnetic wristband keeps screws, bits, and nails right at your arm.
Yeah, until you accidentally high-five a toolbox and become a walking fridge magnet.
This small adapter turns any normal wrench into a digital torque wrench. Great for accuracy and way cheaper than a full torque wrench.
It's like upgrading your old phone with a flashlight app, but, you know, way more useful.
So that's just a glimpse of the unusual tools hiding out there. Which one surprised you the most?
I vote for the magnetic wristband. I feel like a superhero. A very metal superhero.
And if you want more tool discoveries, tips, and weird but awesome gadgets, don't forget to follow Tool Talk Pro.
We promise to keep the weirdness educational.